Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Outfit from Scratch part 3. Got lot of questions regarding that outfit, so I'm finally giving out you guys the details. As promised, it's coming towards the end of the November. So basically that outfit was built from scratch, but then the outfit material was from online store called Meesho. So I got this outfit for around 800. The material, basically it was semi-stitched. The blouse was undone and the lehenga was semi-stitched. So I got this for around 800, and for the price the quality is really amazing. ऑल्दो जो मीशो में पिक्चर्स है उसके हिसाब से एकदम ही ज़्यादा ग्रैंड लगता है, वैसा नहीं है, बट देन क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है फॉर 800. एंड डेफिनेटली इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सच पीसेस you can trust Meesho. Now let's get into the details of the fit. So for blouse I went for a basic blouse, but then this time I went for sleeveless. I usually don't prefer sleeveless, but this time this outfit was screaming sleeveless for me. So I went for a sleeveless blouse with a U front and U back. Back was little deeper with that rassi. So there was nothing much to do. It was already stitched on. The material was already pre-ready, so you just have to instruct them according to your choices. You can go for like a 3/4 sleeves also, will look damn good with that, and with a boat like boat neck, but then I went for the U and the sleeveless one. Then when it comes to the choli, the lehenga, it was already semi-stitched, so I didn't went for the rassi wala tying thing. I went for a belt, so that it looks much more structured and just gives a better vibes. And yeah, the chunni was as it is. So the tailor, okay, by the way, tailor, I changed my tailor. Till now I used to go to this tailor in Gokulpet, but now I have changed my tailor, which is in Jerry Fatka. The store name is Raj Fashion. I'll keep the address of them and the contact number in the description box. Do check them out because it's really affordable. Like for this whole blouse and then skirt thing, everything, he just charged 800 rupees. I'm pretty sure the one I used to go earlier would have charged around 1000 to 1200 bucks for the same thing. But then this one is really affordable, and for the first time in life, like that fit of that complete choli and that complete outfit was so damn good. Like I have built few outfits pehle bhi without filming this in past with that other tailor. उसकी जो वो बेल्ट वाला ही चीज़ है ना, वो इतना लूज था, इट वाज लाइक अभी तक इट्स नॉट परफेक्ट टू माई फिट. वो हमेशा या तो बड़ा हो जाता है या तो छोटा हो जाता है, इट्स वियर्ड. बट इनने जैसा किया, इट वॉज लाइक एग्जैक्टली परफेक्टली. कहीं से भी वो लूज़ नहीं था, कहीं से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई. सो आई वुड 110% recommend Raj Tailors in Jerry Fatka. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored. I am just loving the work they have done. I also got alteration done for my other outfits, and the fitting for those is also bang on. So that's why I'm loving the fit, price and everything there. That's why I'm recommending you guys to go. So I think yes, that's it for this video. The overall price for this outfit from scratch was just 1600 rupees, and it's totally worth the price. Yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.